Happy Saturday, everybody.
We're coming at you with a special announcement.
We are bringing you a special video today to tell you about a really special video that is happening all day tomorrow. And that is going to be to help support people in Grenada and Carriacou, Petite Martinique, all part of Grenada, that were so devastated by Hurricane Beryl last week. This is called Rise Grenada, and it's taking place tomorrow starting at 10 a.m. and going all the way till 8:30. All your favorite YouTube channels are going to be taking part in this in half-hour spots to try to help raise awareness, raise money, mostly, to help people in Grenada and Carriacou.
So we've got a special video tomorrow. We are not going to put out our own video. We will be doing the live. We will be on at 3:30. Definitely check out everybody that's coming in.
Yeah.
There'll be a ton of different channels, some that you know, some that maybe you don't know. Maybe you'll find somebody new that you like. And we're really hopeful that we're going to raise a lot of money and help people.
All of these channels are like us. They've spent a lot of time in Grenada. If you've watched us at all, you know how much time we've been down in Grenada and Carriacou particularly for some very key moments in our sailboat life. And the people there are warm and caring, and they were so good to us all the time that we were there. And they're without businesses, homes, everything. Carriacou was very flattened, and the northern part of Grenada was hit very hard as well. Spice Island Marine and all of us YouTube channels are coming together to give you this YouTube-a-thon.
Yeah.
Something we've never been part of before, and we're pretty excited to see how this whole thing comes together as well. It'll be ongoing all day long from one channel to the next channel.
Yeah.
It's going to be fun. So please, first, if you would like to go ahead and donate, we are not stopping you. Right down here in the description is the GoFundMe link directly for Rise Grenada to help send aid and supplies directly to everybody there who needs it. And then tomorrow, it's going to be more of the same, talking about ways that everybody can help, and everybody will be sharing their experiences in Grenada and what it means to them.
Yeah, so special thanks to the adventure crew. They're the ones that have put this all together. They're in Grenada right now. I know they're like right next to Tula's Endless Summer, so I'm sure they're being huge helps. I know they already have gotten to Carriacou and have checked it out.
It's a huge effort. I mean, it's a big thing to organize, so we're thankful for those guys for doing it and happy to be part of it. So, to sum up, 3:30 tomorrow is our slot, but this link down below will take you to the entire YouTube-a-thon, which starts at 10 a.m. and rolls all day long.
So
Check it
we'll
out.
see you then.
Check it out and let's help some people.